Blacktor Barn has fantastic moorland views, as you can see behind me, all round. And there's a real degree of privacy here as well, and you can feel it as I'm standing here. It is actually in one of Cornwall's designated protected landscapes and under some of the country's dark skies. This really is a truly magnificent property, and you really need to have a look to see and feel the privacy here. Alongside the beautifully renovated detached barn here, we have a useful studio annex and further outbuildings that make this property really useful for friends, family and entertaining. And if you would like to have more information or indeed have a look at this property, please contact us at Fine & Country.